Call is now being recorded.
Okay, so Shweta joined.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. And
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
मैम मेरे यहाँ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है इसलिए मेरा मुंह काला काला दिख रहा है मैम.
Good morning, ma'am.
No problem. Good morning. Okay, I'm presenting the screen. Nobody will present anything in between.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Fifth B, I have completed your The Lazy Frog. Okay, Lazy Frog poem I have completed. I have made a video and I have sent it in the group. And Rip Van Winkle also I have given you the video. Sanashri, mute. Sanashri, mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Rip Van Winkle chapter also I have given you. Okay, video is there in the group. So those who have not seen that chapter, that video, please go through the video in that group. Okay.
Okay,
It is
ma'am.
present in the group.
But ma'am, I don't have WhatsApp. Ma'am,
Who is not having WhatsApp?
ma'am,
I have WhatsApp, ma'am.
Who is shouting? Stop shouting.
Deepi
Stop
Charan, ma'am.
shouting. Stop shouting first of all. And I am saying those who haven't seen that video, please. It is present in 5th A and 5th B group. Shanmukh, mute yourself.
Ma'am, please send it to my Gmail ID.
It can't be sent to your Gmail ID first of all because it is very big. You can't get in Gmail ID. Size is very big. You have to see it is on YouTube. Everybody knows my channel, na YouTube channel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Most of you knew my channel. Go to
Yes, ma'am.
my
I know your
channel there.
channel, ma'am.
Yes.
H,
Go to my
H.
channel there.
H.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am.
Sorry.
Ma'am, here is not electricity.
Ma'am, I'll see the video.
You have seen the video, very good. But those who haven't seen the video of Rip Van Winkle chapter, go to my YouTube channel. It is there only.
Ma'am,
I have
there
written the name. Okay, go to YouTube channel and there it is written class 5 Rip Van Winkle. Okay, kindly go to the channel and see. I will send again the Rip Van Winkle to the. I have made a class 5th B. I have given you another separate group, right? You are in the separate group.
Yes, ma'am.
In the in our class 5th B, another group, I have in that group also I have posted the video. I'll post it again. Kindly see that video. Okay. Now I will take up another unit 6.
Amma Chappu.
Who is saying this? Shall I remove you? Okay, so those who have seen, very good. Those who haven't seen, complete that video. I have taken up that chapter in the video. Okay, so I will be taking our next unit for half yearly syllabus. I mean, first term syllabus. Your first term exams will be in October. Okay, PT1 are over. In October, you will have your mid that first term exams. Okay, first term.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear, ma'am.
PT2, ma'am.
Not PT2. Term 1. PT2 will be there in January. Your mid-term exam, 80 marks exam, will be there in October. For that, we will take up syllabus till September. Okay, split up syllabus will be till September. So 2 chapters are left for our split up syllabus till September. Okay. So I am taking
मैम
that
आपने वो
second
आप
chapter.
लोगों का वीडियो भेजा ना मैम वो सब
कौन सा वीडियो? हाँ, वो सबको देखना है. अप यू गो का वीडियो सबको देखना है. Because that's why I have sent to you 5th B. Tomorrow you will have EVS class. So first watch that video. Up you go. Okay. So you will have then it will be easy for us to complete the chapter. Okay. Please mute now and let me start with the chapter. If you have any doubts, ask in the last. Please ask in the last of the session.
Okay, ma'am.
So Is it visible? Fifth B. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
our
ma'am.
next
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
till unit till unit 6, your first term syllabus will be till unit 6, unit 1 to unit 6. Okay, 5 units we have completed. Till 5 units it was ribs and
Ma'am, your
bunkle.
screen
Okay,
is not visible.
who is saying is it not visible? Fifth B, I am presenting.
Ma'am, it is visible.
It is
Visible,
it is
ma'am.
visible. Please check.
It is visible, ma'am.
Ma'am.
It is visible, ma'am.
Visible, ma'am.
Okay, I
It's
okay.
visible, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Okay, so till you from unit 1 to unit 6 will come for your first term. Unit 1 to unit 6. In every unit you have 2 chapters. Unit 1 2 chapters, unit 2 2 chapters, and like this you have 12 chapters. Okay, 12
Okay,
chapters
ma'am.
for your first term. So this is our 11th chapter, and after this one more chapter will be left for completion. Okay, then we will complete our syllabus for the first term. So now our name of our next poem is class
Discussion.
discussion. So tell me,
Ma'am,
what do you mean by, I know most of you have completed the reading by now, but for those who have not done, for them I'll take up this. Okay, so what do you mean by, my first question is, what do you mean by discussion? From the topic class discussion, what do you mean by discussion? One by one.
Around all students will
One by
class.
one by one. Okay, let's start with Dinesh. Tell me, what do you think?
All
What is
students-
discussion?
All students will cluster around.
All students will cluster around. Then what will happen? Cluster means to gather around. Then what do you mean by what is discussion here?
ma'am, discussion मतलब कि
Discussion means all will speak.
ma'am discuss about a particular thing.
Yes, very good, Sanvi. Discussion, you are exchanging of your views on a particular topic, that is discussion. For example, presently, what I am doing, I am discussing the chapter. So I am asking questions. Our topic is, what is the topic? Nivas, mute karo. What is the topic? Class discussion. Okay. So I am discussing the topic with you. You are giving me your points. I am giving you my points. So what is discussion is? Exchange of ideas, your thoughts, your feelings, your views with your, you can say with your companion, with your partner, or with the teacher, or with anyone else, with your friends, family, elders, wherever you sit, you have a common topic, and then exchanging your views, thoughts, and feelings on a particular topic is known as discussion. Okay, so here is the poem related to class discussion. Now, as you can see, it's a picture of a classroom. During this pandemic, you can't have the feel like this right now, but you online meeting.
Ma'am.
You can see, imagine yourself, you are in a classroom and you are with your friends. You can imagine this, and you can imagine your teacher standing and teaching you. Okay, so this is a classroom setup here. This is a classroom setup. Children are very happy. See, you can see the faces. They are very happy with the discussion. This is a teacher discussing with the teacher on any, it can be any topic, any subject. They are just happy to discuss with the teacher. They are exchanging their, okay. See this girl with a happy face. She is telling her views, and this boy is looking at her with a smiling face. Okay. All the children to this girl here. So what they are doing, what is the activity going on in the class? They are discussing. There is a discussion going on in the class. Okay. Now the
Okay,
poem.
ma'am.
Okay, DP Charan.
Yes,
DP
ma'am.
Charan.
Yes, ma'am.
DP Charan, start reading the poem here.
In the class discussion, Jane,
In the class discussion, Jane, yes,
you
hardly
said a word.
we all shared
Heard out
opinions
opinions, but from you we
barely
had
heard. Okay, stop. DP Charan, English reading practice karo. Daily read one page.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now from the first, we will
Ma'am,
read.
can I
Okay,
read?
two lines we will take up. From the first line in the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. Now, what is teacher saying? Jane is a name of a girl. Okay, Jane is a name of a girl. And what is teacher saying to that girl? In the class discussion, whenever there is a discussion in a class on any topic, Jane, you hardly said a word. You hardly said a word means Jane is a girl which is very silent. She never speaks up in the class. She never say a word in the class. So she is what kind of girl is Jane? A very silent
Silent
girl. She always keep she never speaks in the class. Okay. Next, we all aired our opinions, but from you we barely heard. Now, what is the teacher saying next? We all in the class, everyone is sharing their opinions. Aired means to share, to tell. Aired means to tell or to share. Everyone, teacher is saying in the class, everyone is sharing the opinions, the feelings, the thoughts, but you never say a word. But from you we barely heard. We haven't heard anything from your mouth. You
Ma'am,
are
what
not
is
saying
meaning of
anything.
barely?
Barely means barely. Please don't talk, and first of all mute yourself. I will take up the name for the reading. Please mute yourself. One by one I'll give you chance. If you will keep your mic on, I will not give you chance. Mute yourself.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So barely means rarely. Very rare you speak, very rare. Okay. Sometimes they haven't heard anything from Jane. Very rarely she speaks in class. Next. Wait, those were present, I'll give. Next is okay. Mm, Swatika. Swatika is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Swatika. Next two lines. Next two lines from here to here. Read.
You sat and started in a silence surrounded
You
by
read again. You sat and started. It is not
started in
started.
a
It is
silence.
stared. Stared. Please read properly. Wait, somebody. Wait. Somebody is joining. Arushi.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Read again from here. You sat and stared
You
in
sat
silence.
and stayed in a silence surrounded by the chatter. Now
Tell me,
Jan.
Jane. Okay. Good. So now next, what teacher is saying? You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. What do you mean by chatter? Anyone? Free.
मैम जो बहुत बात है
मैम बहुत ज्यादा
Anyone?
मैम बोलता है मैम बहुत
मैम
मैम
बात
बहुत
करना
बोलता है
What do you
मैम
mean by chat? Then okay, who will tell me? बात करना. Chattering means talking in the class, like you always chat in the chat box. You
Yes,
are
ma'am.
continuously writing all the your views, thoughts in the chat box, saying hello, hi, sending emojis. That means you are chatting here. Chattering means talking. So, teacher is saying to the Jane that when everyone is sharing the opinions, there is chatter all around in the class. Chatter means everyone is saying the views, everyone is sharing their opinions. In that chatter, in that loud voice, all the thoughts, you always keep silence. You always sit quietly. Now tell me, Jane. Okay. Fifth B, I am clear till here. Any doubt till here?
no ma'am
Okay. Next it will be read by Aman. Aman is present in the class. Aman Khan.
yes
Aman, read from here and please be plain till matter. Read these two lines.
textbook
You can read from the textbook. If you have the textbook, read from the textbook.
and please be plain
Okay,
and
start
please
talking. Wait.
is
Start
there
talking.
anything And please be plain.
And wait.
Ma'am, screen was gone.
Arushi, mute yourself. First of all, mute yourself, Arushi. I already told in the class, those who will keep their mic on, Kirtana will not read the chapter now. Kirtana will not get any chance. If you are keeping your mic on, I will not give you chance. In every class, I will not handle this. Arushi, keep yourself mute. I will give you chance one by one. If you will, okay. Aman, read again. Aman, read this. Please be plain.
And please be plain. Is there anything the matter?
Okay. So now teacher is saying, now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Now the teacher is asking Jane, is there anything? What's the matter? Is there any problem that you are not saying anything in class? You are very silent, sitting silently in the class. What is the problem? And is there anything that is disturbing you, that is giving you problem? So she is asking the problem with the Jane. Okay. Now next Yuva.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yuva, can you see the text?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the 2 lines.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Jane looked up.
Jane looked up.
And
Ma'am.
Please don't disturb in between. अगर वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है तो दोबारा ज्वाइन करो क्लास को. ओके युवा, read again.
Jane looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low.
So Jane looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. Now what happened? Jane looked up to the teacher and then she spoke in a very clear and a low voice. So as the teacher was asking her, why are you not saying anything? You are very silent, looking very depressed. Is there any problem? Is there anything that is disturbing you or giving you some kind of problem? Some kind of element is there that is missing. So Jane looked up to the teacher and she spoke in a very clear and low voice. Her voice was very low. What do you mean low? 5th B, low voice. What do you mean by low?
Less voice.
Ma'am,
Silent
Low means one by one. Jazel, tell me what. Okay, Jazel will tell me.
Ma'am, धीरे से बात करना.
Talking with a
Jazel, yes, धीरे से. Yes, you can.
Talking low voice.
Talking in low voice means
Talking with a low
talking
voice.
very.
Ma'am, screen was gone.
Okay, now next.
Ma'am, your screen is
Guys, here. Vrinda, can you hear me? Vrinda.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes,
Ma'am, please.
One by one, I'll give chance again to read. I'll give chance. Wait, let me complete once, then I'll give chance. Vrinda, can you see the text? First of all, let me wait. Let me start removing you one by one. This is the problem with you. Let me start removing you one by one. You are not patiently waiting for your turn. Okay, Vrinda, can you see? Vrinda.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read the last two lines. Vrinda, not Brunda, not Vrinda. Roll number 20, Vrinda.
There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know.
Ma'am,
Shanmukh Sai, why are you presenting? The 5th B, क्या आपको इतनी प्रॉब्लम है कि आपको मतलब पता नहीं है कि क्या करना है? 5th A में पढ़ाना इतना इजी हो जाता है क्योंकि वो बच्चे सुन रहे हैं. They listen very clearly and they answer also. And 5th B, you are only making problematic thing for the teacher. Why? I can't understand. 5th A की क्लास में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. Nobody is present in between. Why do you every time start presenting? Now don't present. Okay. The last two lines says, there are many people in this world who are rather quiet and you know. So Jane answered the teacher. Teacher was asking the Jane, why are you quiet? So she looked up to the teacher and she answered in a very low voice. Very low voice. she answered that there are many people in the world who are rather quiet, you know. So she's saying, I am not having any problem. There is no what happened now fifth B? क्यों बोल रहे हो बीच में?
मैम आरुषि और स्वातिका बात कर रहे हैं मैम.
Arushi, Swatika, stop talking. If you want to talk, you can go. There is no compulsion. You can talk, go and talk in your WhatsApp. Don't chat here at least. जब मुझे पढ़ाना है तो पढ़ाना है. अगर आपको चैटिंग करनी है, हेलो हाय करना है तो ग्रुप में जाओ अपने और चैटिंग करो. You can talk yourself. Don't chat here. कितना प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़ता है आपको एक चैप्टर कराने के लिए. Completing one chapter, you make it very difficult for me to take up your one chapter. In fifth day, it took only 5 minutes to complete me the lazy frog. And they were answering in a very good way. Why can't you be like them? Start talking. They use chat box to answer the questions. They don't chat in the box, say hello, hi. If you have any answer, you can write in the chat box. But don't use the chat box for chatting. Okay, so now in last 2 lines, the teacher was asking Jane, what happened to you? And Jane answered, there are many people in the world who are rather quiet, you know. So she's saying, there is no problem with me. There is nothing that is disturbing me, but I am quiet by my nature. Her nature is very quiet. She likes to be in a silent mode. So she loves to sit silently. She loves to be quiet. So her nature is very silent. So by nature, she is sitting quiet in the class. So am I clear with the poem, 5th B?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This was the poem about a girl named Jane, and teacher was asking her why she was quiet, and what did the answer she gave? That I am quiet by my nature. So now there are few new words here. After new words and last 10 minutes, I will give one by one chance to read the poem. Okay, let me complete with the new words and question answers. Then we will read the poem. I'll give chance to everyone, roll number wise. I'll give chance roll number wise. Quietly listen now. 5th B, roll number wise, you will get the chance to read. Nobody will say that, ma'am, I want to read. I'll give you chance. One from girl and one from boy. Okay? Am I clear? One boy will read, one first girl will read, then boy.
Ma'am, your voice is not
Okay.
clear,
So
ma'am.
please don't say that.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Am I audible now? Fifth B.
Ma'am, you're stucking.
Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're stucking.
Okay. Please, okay, come to the new words. First word is discussion. What do you mean by discussion? Talking together in a group on a single topic. Discussion is exchanging your views, your thoughts.
Talking about on a topic.
Yes, talking
Ma'am,
together,
your screen is
exchanging
stuck.
views. Who is saying what happened now? 5th B. क्या हुआ?
Your screen is stuck.
Wait. Wait a minute. Wait. Let me share again. I'm stopping and I'm sharing again. Okay. Wait, let me.
Okay, ma'am.
First of all, mute
Okay,
yourself.
ma'am.
Mute yourself. I am present. Please now nobody will present in between, because that's why it gets struck, because you present every time in between.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't present now.
Ma'am, again it was strucking, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now it is. Now I have shared. Now it will be okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Now also it is stucking.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now.
Now
Wait.
Ma'am, it is stuck.
No, ma'am.
Let me. Arushi, wait. I will give you chance to read. Wait. First of all, don't write this, please. I'll give chance roll number wise. I already said. Please, instruction को ध्यान से सुनो. I'll give chance. Don't say a please again and again. Let me present. Present नहीं होगा तो कैसे पढ़ोगे? Is the screen visible? 5th B?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so next, first word was discussion. Talking together in a group on a single topic, exchanging your views, feelings, thoughts in a group, that is called discussion. Next is aired. Aired means make public. Aired means to tell publicly, to tell your views publicly, make it public. What do you mean publicly? To tell your views in a group, making publicly, not private. Private होता है जब हम अपने तक वो बात रखते हैं.
We have muttered ourselves.
Okay, हाँ, yes. Private is when you mutter yourself. Okay, make public, to tell in public. Okay, next is barely. Barely, only just.
Struck, ma'am.
Wait. I'll join back again.
Okay, ma'am. Join again.
Okay, now I will present again. I think there was a problem with the net here.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have textbook in textbook, ma'am.
You can see, if you have textbooks, you can see in your textbooks. We are here with the new words. Okay, if you have textbooks, that is good. You can open the chapter and you can see from there. I don't mind if you will see from there. Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
wait. Swatika, sit properly. Who is there with you?
Ma'am.
You know you are visible in this camera. Sit properly. Okay, next. First word was discussion. Second, aired. Aired means to make public. Make your views, to tell your views publicly. Okay. Next is barely. What do you mean by barely? Barely means only, just means rare. Very rarely you speak. Next is stare. What do you mean by stare? Fifth B. Stare.
Seeing on only one side.
Don't read the textbook. Just tell me, what do you think? What do you mean by stare? Stare मतलब किसी को घूरना. किसी को घूरना. Okay, looking at a person with the eyes fixed. That is
Ma'am,
okay.
with eyes wide open.
Okay, don't read from the text. Don't read from the book and tell. I know what is written in the book. I am asking, what do you think? What is stare? Don't look from the book.
Ma'am, Gur said
Ma'am,
Yes, Brinda, ask your doubt. What is the doubt?
Ma'am, Gur said
Dinesh, be quiet. Sorry, बोलो. हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हो?
New words, stare, look fixedly. What is the meaning of fixedly?
Fixedly means fixed, एक जगह पे, एक constantly एक जगह पे देखना. Okay, आप एक जगह से नजर नहीं हटाते. That is fixed. Something is fixed. It's not moving. Okay, there are two words, that is fixed and moving. Moving means that is changing with time. Fixed means nothing is changing. Okay, so looking at a thing without moving your eyes. Looking at a thing with constantly you are looking at a thing without moving your eyes, that is to stare. Okay, अपने किसी को घूरना. Okay, in Hindi stare means घूरना. Okay, so next is, so these were the new words. Now first question, let's come to the question number 1. What activity was going on in the class? So this will be answered by Jazel. Jazel, can you hear me? Jazel.
Yes, ma'am.
Jazel,
Yes,
answer the first one. Answer the first one. What activity was going on in the class? Jazel, can you hear me?
Ma'am, activity.
What activity was going on in the class? What was the name of that activity which was in the class?
Class discussion.
Class discussion.
Discussion.
Class discussion.
Ma'am,
What was going on in the class?
discussion.
Discussion. Discussion was going on in the class. Okay,
Class.
teacher was discussing
Ma'am,
the
class
with the
discussion.
Who was the quiet one in the class? This will be answered by Trinesh. Trinesh, who was the
Yes, ma'am.
Trinesh, answer.
Ma'am,
second.
Jane,
Please
ma'am.
listen your
Ma'am,
name and answer.
Jane.
Don't answer
Yes,
like this.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Who was
Jane.
quiet one? Jane. Yes,
Ma'am,
Jane was
Jane.
quiet
Jane.
one in the class. Why was she quiet?
Jane.
Now next answer, Sanvi. Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
why was she quiet? She was afraid to air her opinions. She hated the noise. She didn't like the activity. She was quiet by nature. Tell me your
Ma'am
option.
was quiet by nature.
Yes, very good. She was quiet by nature. She was not afraid. She didn't hate the noise. She didn't like the activity. This is also wrong. So the right one is she was quiet by nature. By nature, she was a silent girl. Okay. Now, how do you interact in class during discussion? Do you participate or remain quiet? So fifth B, daily you are having discussion with your teacher in the class, right? So you sit quietly or you discuss? You share your views or you
Yes,
remain
ma'am.
quiet?
Discuss.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So
we
some of the students remain quiet, but some discuss with the teacher. But sitting quietly doesn't mean that you are not liking the class. Sitting quietly also means that you are listening to the teacher very silently. Okay. Discussion is an activity that you do day by day. Okay. So now I'm clear. I hope I'm clear till here. Fifth B. Am I clear with the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this was the poem with the class discussion. First of all, what is discussion? Who was quiet one? If someone is quiet in the class, that doesn't mean he is having some problem. Maybe there can be a problem with the child. We are not saying that there is no problem with the child. There can be problem with the child, but you can't say every time there is a problem. Okay, so the 5 minutes are left. I'll give you chance to read. Okay, now
Ma'am.
those who will keep your mics mute, they will only get chance to read. Okay, one by one I'll take up. So this is the poem. One by one I will give chance to read from one. Okay, roll number one, Brunda.
Ma'am, your presentation I could not see.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Brunda, can you see the text? Is it visible here?
Yes, ma'am. Visible.
Okay, so start reading.
Ma'am,
the
your
poem.
presentation is not visible.
Please remove
Ma'am, your
yourself and
screen
come
is
back
not
again.
visible. Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
प्लीज अपने आप को रिमूव करके ज्वाइन करो. कम बैक अगेन. आई हैव आल्सो ज्वाइन बैक अगेन. कम बैक अगेन. देयर यू विल बी एबल टू सी द टेक्स्ट. So Brunda, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read now. Start reading the poem.
In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all had our opinions, but from your we bare head.
Okay. Read next two line also. Read the first para. Brunda, read complete reading the first para.
Okay, ma'am. You sat and stayed in silence,
Surrounded by chatter.
surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain.
Is there
Is
anything?
there anything the matter?
Okay, good. Next from boys, the Dinesh. Dinesh, is he here? Dinesh, can you hear me? I think he's not.
Trinesh.
Dinesh. Okay, Sampath. Sai Sampath is here.
Dinesh
Sampath. Sampath is here in the class. Sampath is not here. Okay. Sanmukh Sai. Sanmukh.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the text?
अभी lesson
Text दिख रहा है आपको?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Shanmukh, आपको
ma'am.
text दिख रहा है? Can you see the text?
मैम मेरे को टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं दिख रहा मैम.
Text.
लेसन.
You have the textbook with you, Shanmukh? Do you have the textbook?
हाँ मैम.
Read from the textbook. Second para. Jane looked up. From here, read.
Jane looked up and then she
Spoke.
spoke her
Voice
voice was
clear and low.
clear and low. There are
Many people
in this world
who are rather quite, you know.
Quite you know. Over,
Okay.
ma'am.
Over. Shanmukh, please practice reading. Next from girls, Sunishka.
Okay, ma'am.
Sunishka, can you hear me?
Ma'am, I can hear you, ma'am.
Yes, Sunishka, read from the starting.
In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. Well, aired our options, but from you we
Opinions, please read carefully. We aired our opinions.
time is over. But from you we barely hear you that and
Okay,
start.
stop. Next, Arushi, can you hear me? Arushi, please mute yourself. Whose voice is coming? Mute yourself. Arushi,
Ma'am, boys na ma'am. Girls dance.
I'll give. Next, Arushi, आपको सुन रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arushi, read. Read the next 2 lines, then I'll call from boys.
From where, ma'am?
You sat.
Question was lost.
From here, you sat.
You sat and started in silence.
Started नहीं है वो. जल्दी मत पढ़ो. Started नहीं है. Read carefully. I'm saying you again. You sat and stared. जल्दी मत पढ़ो. You sat and stared in silence. ध्यान से पढ़ो.
Stayed in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane. And please keep playing. Is
Here.
there anything the matter?
Okay. Stop. Next, Dinesh from boys. Dinesh, can you hear me? Dinesh is not here.
Ma'am, in chat
Okay.
box time is over.
Now time is over. Wait for the attendance. Let me take up the attendance. Wait 2 minutes. I will complete the attendance. Then you can leave. Okay. Nobody will between. I will say your name roll number wise. Please wait for your turn. Don't say ma'am आपने मेरा नाम.
Ma'am,
Okay.
okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
yes.
Brunda present. Brunda. The one. Brunda is here. Okay, she left. I'll be marking absent. Deepa.
Yes,
Deepa?
ma'am.
Deepa is present. Okay. Jason.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Present. Kaveri. Is she present? Kaveri.
Yes, ma'am.
Kaveri. She is present but not saying. Kirtana.
Yes, ma'am.
Kirtana.
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Manisha. Rakshita is here. Rakshita.
Ma'am, we can leave class. Ma'am,
Rakshita.
Can we leave the class?
Those who are attendance is over, they can leave. Yes, you can leave. Rakshita. Roshni. Ruchika. Sanashri. Absent. Okay. If you will leave the class in between, I'll mark absent. Ruchika हो गया है. Sanvi.
present, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Swatika. Swatika.
Ma'am, Sunishka
Okay.
present, ma'am.
Swatika is absent. Sunishka present. Okay. Swatika absent. I'll mark absent. Shweta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shweta is present. Swatika, I'll mark absent. Udeshri is not present. Udeshri. Then Vindhya. Vindhya.
Present, ma'am.
Arushi.
Present, ma'am.
Ambika. Ambika. Kasturi. She left. Okay. Ankita.
Present, teacher.
Ankita. Ankita is present. Okay. Vrinda.
Present.
Present,
Present.
ma'am.
Shrestha.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Shrestha is present. Okay. Bharani. Abdullah not present. Aman.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Banu is not there. DP Charan. DP Charan. Okay, absent. Daksh absent. Dinesh.
Present.
Dinesh.
Present.
Dinesh present. Kaushik absent. Manu. Manu is not there. Nitish. Nitish.
Yes, ma'am. Present. Ma'am,
Dinesh,
present.
सबसे मत बोलो Dinesh. Don't say present to everyone. Nitish present. Raghavendra absent. Sairam absent. Sampath.
Present.
Sampath.
Ma'am, Arushi telling all
Present.
to present.
मुझे नाम दिख रहे हैं फिफ्थ भी. I can see the names. So don't say present to everyone. मैं आप ही की absent लगाने वाली हूँ अभी. Okay, so Sampath is absent. Shanmukh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Siddharth, Toran not here. Dinesh present. Nayak.
Present,
Nayak.
Present, ma'am.
Nayak present. Okay. Vishnu is absent. Yuva.
Present, ma'am.
Yuva is present. Okay. Nivas. 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 Present. Can leave the class. Attendance is over.
Ma'am, yesterday at my home there was no electricity, so that's why I left the class. Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Kita, yes, I have marked your attendance. Those who have any doubt, they can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. I'll give you the recorded video in the group. Okay.
Ma'am, yesterday at my home there was no electricity, so that's why I left the class.
No problem. Yesterday I have marked. From today I am taking 2 times attendance. Okay. Every day now I will take 2 times.
Okay, ma'am, bye.
Okay, bye.
Ma'am.
Yes, आरुषि, कोई डाउट है आपको?
Homework.
डाउट है?
Homework.
आरुषि, होमवर्क अभी ग्रुप में. प्लीज सी इन द ग्रुप. I will give homework in the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.